Okay, dear student, now we will study the next topic, which is speed. What is speed? The simple definition is rate of distance covered by the body is called speed, or other definition is the distance covered by the body per unit time is called speed. It is denoted by V. The word rate, rate means any physical quantity when it is divided by time. Instead of per unit time, we can say only rate. Rate means divided by time. So these are two definitions you can learn, which is easy to you. Now, mathematical statement of speed. Mathematical statement or mathematical expression means the formula of speed. Mathematically, it is written as speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance upon time means if you cover 10-meter distance in 5 seconds, we ask you what's your speed, then 10 upon 2, your speed will be 5 meter, or 10 upon 5, your speed will be 2 meter per second. So its formula is V is equal to S upon T, where V is denoted for speed and S for distance and T for time. Now, all the physical quantities are expressed by their units. So the unit of speed in SI system is meter upon second, or ms minus 1. You can also write it ms power minus 1, or you can write it m oblique s, meter per second. Now the factor affecting the speed means which things affect the speed, means कि स्पीड जो है कब कम होती है और स्पीड कब ज़्यादा होती है, उसके लिए कौन से फैक्टर्स जो हैं वो स्पीड पर इन्हिसार करते हैं. स्पीड डिपेंड्स अपॉन द डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय द बॉडी. इफ़ यू हैव लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस, you have to speed up your vehicle. Number 2, speed depends upon the time taken by the body. Less is the time, more is the speed. Now you are given a time, then that is short time, then you will speed up your vehicle, means speed will be increased. So these are two factors which affect the speed. Okay.